Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to claim your website on Pinterest. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up pinterest.com and log into your account. After that, go to your profile. Over here, click on the profile icon and then go to claim accounts. After that, you will see the option for website. Over here, click on claim. Then select the option to add HTML tag. After that, copy the HTML tag. Then go to your website dashboard. Over here, if you are using WordPress, install and activate the Insert Headers and Footers plugin. After that, go to Settings and open Insert Headers and Footers. Over here, paste the HTML tag you copied into the header section. After that, click on Save Changes to save the file. Then refresh your website once to check if everything is working fine. After that, go back to Pinterest and continue. Over here, type your website URL and click on Verify. So that's basically how you can claim your website on Pinterest. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.